Hello, everybody. This is Chuck Carnevale, co-founder of FastGraphs, the fundamentals analyzer software tool, bringing you another 2-minute drill, Lessons in Valuation subscriber request series. A company I was asked to look at was DocuSign, and I really appreciate this particular suggestion because it really does provide some very, very important lessons in valuation. I want you to notice here that DocuSign had a pretty good level of earnings growth. But again, as I've done in other videos, shorten the time frame, and we see that it's been a 25% grower since it was really profitable at the end of 2021 going into fiscal year 22 with a January fiscal year. But notice how high the market was valuing the stock. This is a classic case of emotions determining market price. This stock had really great performance during this period of time. In fact, we can just do a calculation here. I just arbitrarily picked it. That's 114% annualized rate of return from July 2019 to September 2021. But this was false profits, I like to call it. The stock was way overvalued, and essentially it immediately came down into fair value. Possibly, my view would be just because they had a flat year in 2023, and as that was unfolding, the stock price dropped dramatically, but now it's kind of tracking the line. As far as analysts' consideration of the future, they're looking for 8 or 9% growth, but that would still make this stock look overvalued to me. Now, it may be look undervalued here because we're looking at the historical growth. When you're looking at future growth, it looks like it's significantly overvalued still, and I wouldn't be interested yet. Now, the company has very little debt. It doesn't have a high enough earnings yield. It's still trading at a very high multiple, so I'd be cautious with DocuSign if for any of those who are interested. It has fallen dramatically in value, but I think it could actually be, I would prefer buying it cheaper than it currently trades at. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like, ring the bell so you can see more videos like this, and subscribe to FastGraphs. It's the value investor's best friend, in my opinion, and I wouldn't even dream of investing in stocks without it. You can learn so much in an instant by utilizing the FastGraphs fundamental analyzer software tool. And these crazy markets we're having right now make it even more important to be a subscriber. Thanks for watching.